For me, Temptations really started from birth because my mom is an amazing cook. Whether it was breakfast, lunch, or dinner, as a family, we would sit and have one meal and we would share our day. So I guess technically you could say it started in 2003, and truly it's been about these dishes creating this experience that gathers everybody back around the table. I am always hearing what people would love to see next, and something I heard loud and clear was something like Tara at Home, which for me is truly inspired by elements of nature. The sculptural detail that's involved, the glass glazes truly make it works of art, yet it still incorporates everything that has been so popular with our collections, which is the fact that they go in the oven up to 500 degrees, the dishwasher, the freezer, the fridge, the microwave, and they are one dish cooking. So you're prepping, cooking, serving, and storing all in that one dish. As the creator of the Temptations family of brands, there truly is something for everyone. Whether you love the hand-painted pieces, whether you love more of the solid detail, or you love the sculptural detail and glass glazes that we incorporate, there's truly a color, a pattern, and a look for everyone.